You probably don't remember this ad from Mad Men. I'm ranking every ad from Mad Men, and this is day 51, Cough Hack. Now this ad only appears once in the show, and it's very brief. You can catch it in season 5 when Don Draper is flipping through some of SCDP's previous ads. And the ad is great. It was made for Vick Chemical's cough drops, and it does really well to connect with their target audience, sick people. If I was sick or living with a sick person, this would definitely catch my attention. Now a potential downside of this ad is that it doesn't differentiate Vicks cough drops from other brands. But because the product is cough drops, a super cheap solution for a short-term problem, I don't think differentiation is really necessary. I'm gonna give this campaign a 7 out of 10. Click the link in my bio to rate this ad yourself.